Carpet tiles offer a durable and versatile flooring option that works well in Denver's changing weather conditions. These modular squares are made from robust materials like nylon and polyester, giving you a flooring solution that combines comfort with practicality. The modular design is one of the biggest advantages. When a single tile gets damaged or stained, you can replace just that piece instead of tearing up an entire room. This makes maintenance simple and extends the life of your flooring investment. The tiles effectively absorb noise, making them ideal for open-plan spaces where echoes and sound transmission can be problems. You'll find carpet tiles in a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures. This variety lets you customize your space to reflect your personal style or brand identity. You can create bold patterns or subtle blends. In open commercial spaces, you can use different textures or colors to define specific zones while maintaining a cohesive look. The installation process is straightforward and quick. While DIY installation is possible for smaller projects, professionals are recommended for large areas to ensure proper fitting and long-lasting results. The durable construction handles high-traffic settings well, making carpet tiles suitable for both homes and businesses. For commercial spaces, carpet tiles require minimal maintenance while withstanding constant wear and tear. They provide an affordable way to enhance business environments without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. The soft surface creates comfort for people who spend extended time standing or walking. In-home flooring offers professional installation services, using proven methods and quality tools. Their team focuses on customer satisfaction with fair pricing and efficient project completion. They provide free expert advice and offer flexible appointment options, including in-studio visits, in-home consultations, or virtual meetings. Carpet tiles stand out from traditional carpeting through their easier installation, simpler maintenance, and ability to handle Denver's fluctuating climate. Their versatility makes them a practical choice for anyone looking to upgrade their flooring with a solution that's both functional and beautiful.